I'm Manesh Kalita. Welcome to my new class, class 5 mathematics. After summer vacations, this is the first class of your mathematics. So before summer vacations, we was finished 3 chapters. We was finished. Now today, I'll continue that process of mathematics. Today, I'll start lesson 4, multiplications and division. So open your page number 30. So lesson 4, multiplications and division. So when I'm writing in the board, I'll give the photo in your attachment file. Then you have to write from the attachment file, or you can write from the board when I'm writing in the video. If you want to write from video, then you can write. Otherwise, you can write from attached file, because same will come in attached file, no problem. So lesson 4, multiplications and division. So multiplications and division is what? We know multiplication table of 5. Suppose 5 for 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 25, etc. Multiplication, it will be the bigger and bigger. Division, for 20 divided by 1, 20 divided by 2, 10 20 divided by 4, 5 20 divided by 5, 4, like that. So division means you can divide, you can separate inner part. So lesson 4, see page number 30. If we multiply any number, suppose 24 into 5, so then this will call multiplicand. So this will call multiplier. Next, what will be the answer? 4 into 5. So 5 into 4, 20. So 20, 0, to 2 gone. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So this will become the product. So if we multiply any two number, then what will be the result? So that result we will call the product. So this is the called product. So this is for multiplication. This is called multiplication process. So multiplications, multiplicand is first one, second one which we have to multiply. This one called multiplier. So product is this. So what is the result of these two number after multiplication? That is called product. Next, we will see division. See, for division, suppose for 20 divided by 5. So this is called divided. So this is called divisor. So answer is 4 into 4, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So 4 is here. This is called quotient. QUO TIENT. So 20, 0 is come. So 0 is called remainder. So this is the small process of multiplication and division. So this is upper side is multiplication, down side is division. So this is the basic process of multiplication and division. So now, if we understand, then you can see the names of their. Next, we will start activity 1. Okay. Now we can draw. Next, activity 1. Activity 1. Write the numbers vertically and multiply. Number 1, 4000. Number 1, A. How many numbers are there? A, B, C to till the F. So 4921 into 8. So how we will multiply? So this is the normal process. So first one is given multiplicand, then multiplier. So we have to find the product. So first one is 4921. So activity 1, A1. Activity 1. Activity 1. 4000. Number 1, A. 4921 into 8. So multiply this. So how will multiply? 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 9, 72. 8 into 4, 36. So 8 into 1, 8. Sorry. So there little wet when I was rough and little wet, little dry in it. 8. Okay, 8 into 1, 8. Sorry. So 8. 8 into 2, 16. 6 is coming. So 1 is gone. So 8 into 9 is 72. 72 plus 1, 73. So here 3, 7 is gone. 8 into 4 is 32. 32 plus 7. How many? 32 plus 7 is 39. The answer is, the product is 39,368. C. Next number is 6,185 into 62. 6,185 into 62. So this one is multiplicand, this one is multiplier. So we will find the product. So 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 10. So here 0 is coming, 1 is gone. So 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 here, 7 is here, 1 is gone. Okay? Because 2 into 5, 10. 0 is here, 1 gone. 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 is 7 here, 1 gone. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 6, 12. 6 into 5, 30. 30, 0 here, 3 gone. 6 into 8, 48. 48 plus 3, 51. 51, 1 is here, 5 is gone. 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 here, 1. 1 gone. 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 8, 0, 7, 4, 3, 8, 3. So answer is 38. No. 3,83,470. See, I will check the answer. Number 3,83,470. Yes. So next. DEF. So here 4-digit number with 3-digit number. So put this. Then in next class I will see the next portion. Till the end, today's class is over. Thank you.